Listen, while everyone's obsessing over Nvidia at $900 a share and Microsoft at $400, I've been quietly watching 3 AI stocks trading under $15 that could potentially deliver triple-digit returns. And here's the kicker, one of them just signed a partnership that nobody's talking about yet, and I'm going to reveal which one in just a moment. But first, let me show you why these aren't your typical penny stock gambles. Let's start with SoundHound AI, ticker soon, currently sitting at around $11.60. Now, you've probably used voice AI without even realizing it, whether it's ordering through a drive-thru or asking your car for directions. SoundHound powers that technology, and they're not some startup dreaming about revenue. They just posted record quarterly revenue of $42 million, up 68% year over year. But here's what gets me excited. This stock has already exploded 190% this year, yet analysts still have price targets ranging from $16 to $26. Why? Because they're moving beyond just automotive into restaurants, customer service, and IoT devices. The risk here is real though. They're still burning cash and not yet profitable. Management says they'll hit break-even next year, but that's a promise, not a guarantee. Now, here's where it gets interesting. BigBear.ai, ticker ByBy, trading around $5.80. This isn't your flashy consumer AI play. BigBear works with the US Department of Defense, intelligence agencies, and border security. We're talking mission-critical AI for national security. And let me tell you something, when governments need AI, they don't shop around on price. They buy the best. And BigBear's already got that foot in the door. The stock jumped 11% recently, and here's why I think it's undervalued. Defense spending is increasing globally. AI is becoming essential for military applications, and BigBear just acquired a company called Ask Sage for $250 million to expand their generative AI capabilities. The catch? Revenue actually dropped 20% last quarter because some Army programs wrapped up. But they've got a $376 million backlog of contracts, which tells me the future pipeline is solid. But now, the one I've been holding back. And honestly, this might be the most compelling story of the three. It's called. Actually, before I tell you, understand that this play requires patience. It's volatile, it's speculative, but the upside potential is massive if they execute. The stock I'm talking about is back to SoundHound. But here's the angle nobody's discussing. They just announced a partnership with Parkopedia to launch voice-activated parking search and payment systems. Think about it, every driver in every city searching for parking using voice AI. That's not just automotive. That's mobility infrastructure. And with a market cap under $5 billion, there's serious room to run if this takes off. The short interest is also nearly 1/3 of the float, which means if momentum builds, we could see a short squeeze that sends this thing parabolic. Look, I'm not going to stand here and tell you these are guaranteed winners. Any stock under $15 carries higher risk, period. That's why the potential rewards are bigger. You need to do your own research. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. And consider starting with a small position if you're interested. But if you're looking to get AI exposure without paying premium prices for the mega caps, these three stocks deserve to be on your radar. Subscribe if you want more under the radar investment ideas. Drop a comment telling me which one you think has the most upside, and I'll see you in the next one.